Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today I want to wish y'all, hope y'all had a Merry Christmas, and I hope y'all have a safe New Year coming up real quick. Yeah, just be safe out there on those roads. Y'all know I was a state trooper for 20 years, and I'm not going to miss being out there during New Year's. Before I was a state trooper, I don't know if I've ever mentioned it, I was a medic, and I did that for about 6 years. I did that all through college and a couple of years after, when I was just kind of floating, trying to figure out what I was going to do. And that's when I decided I needed to be a trooper. Who knew? So today what I'm going to do, y'all seen me do the fire department logo, the Maltese cross. You've seen me do some police stuff, some law enforcement stuff, badges, whatnot. Today what I'm going to do is the Star of Life, which is the emblem for EMS, Emergency Medical Services. And so I've got a pretty good design. I'm going to try it and try to do a little bit different with the paint. So let's go. days, so it came out good. My little ideas with the paint weren't the greatest because I used a sanding sealer on Birch just to see if it would help any, and it made a nightmare of it. Part of it's my fault because it is cool out here today. It's been in the 30s and 40s all day, and I didn't wait long enough for it to dry good, and it was still kind of tacky apparently whenever I started cutting. And so when I got to painting and I went to sanding, it all gummed up. It was a nightmare. I sanded and sanded and sanded on this thing, finally got it right. Finally, when I got done with all the sanding and painting, I got to the staining part and you saw how it came out. I thought it came out pretty good. And you see it's got a serpent running around a stick up the middle of it. And I just thought it came out real clean looking. Of course, I'm going to throw poly on it later, but not today. It is cool out here and I don't know how long it'll take polyurethane to dry. So guys, that was it for this time. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.